Good morning. Hope everyone is okay, doing great, and enjoying their vacations. Today we will make this very demanding alphabet ring. You can see a very simple pattern, easy to make, easy to wear, and fast making. Hope everyone will enjoy it. For this, we will need the required items. Material, we need alphabet beads, ABC beads, you can say some seed beads from around what you would like, and the tools, and also sorry, within material you need brass wire. I will use 20 gauge wire. Then introduction of tools. Today we will use cutter, double nose plier, flat nose plier with teeth flat nose, small flat nose plier, turn nose plier, big flat nose plier, and this side ring sizer scale. You can see ring is setter. You can have ring setter. You can say ring shaper. You can say this one ring sizer. And this is a plastic or back plastic tool, round shape. You can see here for making ring. Now we will start. First we need I want to make this ring, for this finger ring. Now first we take wire. Basically my size is 18 inches, and for this I will need only 7 inches wire. 7 inches wire. Yes, totally is 7 inches. And first we make one side a loop like structure. I will easily like this. It will take no more time. You can see here. Then by the using of this flat nose pliers, big flat nose pliers, I will round it like this. This will make a hook, beautiful hook. You can see I can shape it, then you can see I make a loop here and total structure. Now I want to make 18 size. First I will take this one and then wrap it, shape it. You can see I will shape it. Now I will check the size required. Because my size is 18 inches, I look after 8. This is a 18 size. Okay. On this step I will have to tell, if I want to make 18 inches, I have to first make this ring to 18, 19, 20 gauges. Yes, here. If you want to make 18 inches, you have to make it big size on 18 inches. Why? Because we have to feed beads all and alphabet bead. That will make it will make small, and it will become at the 18 inches size. Like this is 20 inches. When I complete it, it will become in 18 inches. For some beads, yes, I will add beads, but mostly these are 6-9 size BC beads, you can say. Now you can see here, when the half circle is complete, you can this hook, this become downside, on the downside, and When the half circle is completed, filled with beads, you can see almost half circle. Then I will have to add alphabet, which one I like. I like F letter. F letter. I am making this ring for my for little children. You can make this for happy birthday gift, this type of events. Then I will add all beads and complete the all circle with beads. Add some beads. You can add any kind of beads in this size. Small size is better because it will make better ring. Only one bead left. Yes, I have completed the all circle with beads. Now see carefully. This is your ring, small ring, and this is. Now it is time to use flat nose pliers, small size, small one. Grab here and see how space is left. I have some little bit space here. This circle, it almost have to complete. You have to grab here, and we have some space. I want to add one more bead. And now it is complete, and I will grab here and see. Oh, sorry, I will grab here and see. Yes, you can see I have all my this is touching here in this circle. Now I will have to pull it upside one side, and you can see this L-shaped structure is created. Now I have to cut the extra piece here. About half mm size left. You can see. I think you can see clearly. Now what you have to do? You have to put this one in this circle. Yes, this like this, and now it is time to take double nose plier, flat round nose, and very gently, and this one round this like this one. I can say you can see it. Yes, this one. Now it is time to take teeth flat nose plier and push it like this one. It become down. Almost our ring is complete. Now we have to check the size. You can see here 18. I want to make 18 size each. When on the first time we make ring 20 size big, and when we fill it the beads, it become 18 size. The completion size is 18. Now you can understand what I'm saying. Big. Wonderful. Thank you. Hope you will enjoy our video. Keep follow our YouTube channel, and I think you will enjoy it. This is very beautiful item for happy birthday gifts and this type of stuff. Thank you and goodbye. Good luck.